A dandy dozen games of hoops on a Saturday night. This is your top 10 on NBA.com. We start you out in Clipper land. Blake Griffin looking for degree of difficulty points on this one. He goes reverse on Jamal Crawford's alley-oop and brings it home this good for number 10. On to number 9. Cometh the man, cometh the moment. A minute to go. Paul Millsap tying it up with the reverse baseline jam on his old teammate Al Jefferson. And enjoy that jazz, Al. At 8, James Johnson, your table is ready. Mike Miller serving it up, and yeah, Johnson just chowing down on that feed from Miller in at number 8. Moving along now to 7, and frequent flyer Miles there with the rejection. Channing Frye goes self 5-hole, and then Eric Bledsoe does know you got to get the shot to go to get into the NBA.com top 10. Beautiful on each end, full service from Phoenix. Plumlee with the block, Frye with the save, and then Bledsoe on the hustle. At number 6, it's the Jay-Z and Kanye of the top 10. Blake Griffin to DeAndre 3000. Quick style alley-oop, and DeAndre can go get it. It doesn't matter where you throw it. He's going to find it. Chris Paul with the pass that Blake saves, and DeAndre reaching back and bringing that one home. At number 5, Lance Stevenson to Paul George, who sweeps in from the rafters for this little bit of aerial justice, and this combo get close to D-Wade and LeBron in the East. At number 4, guess who's back? Frequent flyer Miles with almost a cuff jam off 2 feet. Just absolutely crunches this one. Miles Plumlee all over the top 10. He has been unleashed in Phoenix. At number 3, Terrence Ross, like a boss on the break. Absolutely crushes this one. His only non-triple of the game lands at number 3. Yeah, the editors at NBA.com are funny like that. At number 2, the Hawks down 2 by the power of Dirk Nowitzki. Pero narrows his sights on the rim, and Antique is like Dominique and Montefiore in Atlanta, sending the game into overtime. Who beats Pero at number 1? Heat down 3. Oh my Bosh! No LeBron in sight. Chris Bosh shows up huge in the moment, and Chris Bosh, like a boss, is number 1 on the NBA.com top 10.